The state Congress is yet to decide on the candidate for the Tura Parliamentary seat. Informing this, Congress leader and opposition chief whip Salang A. Sangma said discussions on the issue are yet to be held with the party higher-ups. He, however, said that the Congress, though silent on the matter, is working on the ground to strengthen the party. The Congress leader said the people still believes in the Congress and will ensure that they win in the upcoming parliamentary elections.
We haven't talked about even with our presidents also. So I think Congress is not decided. Even not only about Tura, even about the other parts of India, I think so.
But we have
to comment on that, it will be too early. It will be too early for me to comment on that actually, because the national party itself has not decided, especially other parts of the state.
In a momentous occasion, the Department of Horticulture